everyone, and today's video I will show you how to add voiceover in Canva. So first open your Canva design where you want to add your voiceover. Now go to uploads and click on record yourself. Here you will find the record voiceover option. You just have to go and click on that and you will see a red button will appear at the center of your screen. Now you just have to click on it to start recording and narrates your script. When you finish it, just click on the finish button or the stop button. It depends on the version. And after that, go to uploads, switch to the audio tab, and here you will find your voice over. You just have to drag it and drop onto the timeline. Adjust it according to your design, and after that, click on the play button to preview it at once. When you find everything's perfect, then go to the top right side, click on the share button and hit the download button so you can share it anywhere. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.